Hi, we're going to go through the latest distressed properties list in the UK. What this is a list of properties with different types of distress. They could be repossessions, or they could be unmortgageable. They could have different forms of damage, fire or water damage. They could be Japanese knotweed infested. But instead of doing a comprehensive list, what we're going to do is go through area by area of the country. So this is the list for London. We've got a two-bedroom flat for sale in Westminster, London, £775,000. It's a repossession. We've got a two-bedroom flat for sale in Southwark in London, £300,000 for a quick sale. We've got a one-bedroom apartment for sale in Haringey, London, £300,000 to a cash buyer. So that's obviously unmortgageable. So if you want to discuss these or any other deals anywhere in the UK, then you can contact me. That's Alan at Alpus Group on +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call at calendly.com, and you can just simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.